In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the AirPods battery widget or AirPods case if it's not showing on your iPhone. It's a common issue and would only take a few steps to sort out. First, make sure your AirPods are connected. You got to open the case near your iPhone or put the AirPods in your ears. Now check if Bluetooth is on. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Make sure Bluetooth is active. If the widget still doesn't show your AirPods, try removing and re-adding the widget. Long press the widget, tap Remove Widget, then add it again by long pressing the home screen, tap the plus icon, scroll to Batteries, and choose the widget you want. Still not working? You probably got to reset your AirPods connection. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, tap the info icon next to your AirPods, then tap Forget this device. After that, reconnect them by opening the case near your phone and following the prompt. Also, make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. If there's an update, install it. Lastly, restart your iPhone. That fixes more problems than you'd think. That's it. One of these steps is going to get your AirPods battery to show up in the widget again. Hope this helped. If you want to see more quick fixes like this, stick around. Thanks for watching.